Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix PUBG server authentication error login failed. So guys, when you open your PUBG and want to log in your PUBG account and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to go back, and guys, after going to back, you need to open your settings on your iPhone, and guys, after this you need to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your phone. And guys, if not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data. And guys, after doing this, you need to scroll it down, click on general and click on iPhone storage. And guys, here you need to find PUBG, and guys, you need to offload your PUBG from here. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back. And guys, after this you need to open your app store, and guys, here you need to search PUBG, and guys, you need to update your PUBG from here. And guys, after doing update, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, you need to open your settings again, scroll it down, click on general and click on date and time, and make sure that date and time is set automatically. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back, click on VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your iPhone. And after doing this, you need to go back, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset and click on reset network settings. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back, and guys, you need to click on software update, and guys, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. So guys, if you have any kind of update on this tab, you need to update your iPhone. And guys, after doing all the things, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to log in your PUBG smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.